poppin'? It's your girl Taejha and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Hit that like because it definitely does help. And comment down below. In today's video, I am going to take this blonde wig here, natural state, right out of the box. And we're going to dye it. We're going to dye it because I want it to be like a very light pinkish purple. I got this soft lavender from Adore, excuse my nails, and then this periwinkle from Adore as well too. I also have a really dark purple rage, and we may drop a dopplet of this in there as well just to enhance these two colors, the other two colors, because they're very light. So, and I still want to make sure the color is going to pay off. Let's get right on into this. So first with the wig, I want to lighten it. I don't want it to be this like yellow, you know, tint to the blonde. So I'm going to take some shimmering lights. I'm going to take some shimmering lights here, and I am going to, you know, put a little bit in the bowl and tint the wig lighter because I don't want that yellow in it. So we're gonna take some like that. Just enough. That's probably more than needed. So put some hot water in the bowl. It's kind of like really hot. And honestly, for this process, you don't even need the water to be hot, but I use hot water, so that's what we got. And for this process, you don't have to, but I did decide to put like a light layer of some got-to-be glue and on the lace so that it will not tint the lace lighter than I want it to be. So I just go ahead and dip this in. Look at that. It's like literally already changing that quickly. Get that yellow brassiness out of the wig. And it's okay that it's kind of going to be purple because that's the color we're going for anyways. That also has to do with how long you keep it in and how much product you put in it. But look at that, tinted already. And I'm going to kind of keep the roots in a little, the tips in a little longer, so that those really get toned. Nice. Nice. The wig is all toned. Tips are a little bit brighter. Rest of it is just kind of, you know, cool. So now for the color. Soft lavender. Ooh, maybe I won't need any of the purple rage. Not even half, but you know, not even a half a bottle. Literally just squirted some in there. Especially because this is like a short haircut, a short wig. So I'm not gonna need a lot of product. And now the periwinkle. Ooh. Now let's add some hot water. So if it's up to you, you can do like a test color on a piece of the hair, but for me personally, I don't care to do that because I don't really care what color this comes out to be. I just want it to be a color of some color purple. We're just gonna go ahead and dip it on in. Oh, look at that. Just go ahead and dip it in. Dip it. Ooh, yes. Make sure you get in between everything. Like, and I don't want there to be any like harsh pieces. I think I didn't mix it enough in some parts, so make sure to blend that in. Oh, this is coming out so pretty. I kind of want it to get in the center a little more, so gotta open up the hair, but it's so pretty already. That's like 2 seconds. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, that was like so quick. Okay. Is that enough? Do I want it to saturate a little more? I think that looks good. That looks so cool. So cool, so fast, so easy. So I am gonna add a little of the Purple Rage, just a little bit to the ends because I want them to be a little like darker purple and not so bright. Whew, look at how that changed, huh? Look at how that changed. I just want to dip the tips. Oh no, I didn't mix it. Girl, you ain't mixing it good enough. Still chunky in there. Just on the ends for some of them, you know? Give it some dimension. See, that is more so what I'm wanting with the wig. It was looking a little too gray toned for me. Oh my gosh, this is kind of literally what I wanted. All right, and here is the wig, fresh out, still wet. I'm not 100% sure about how I feel about the wig yet, you know, we'll see there. But the color, I think it came out pretty, so let's go ahead and dry this wig. Alright you guys, and finished look. Hair all done, colored. Let me like do a little spin around. Styled it just a little bit, you know, just put little bumps in it. And I like trimmed the ends because it was very like shaggy and I didn't like that, so I wanted it very like nice and blunt. This side ended up coming out a little bit more purple than this side, and I'm honestly debating if I want to dye it all more. If I want to dye it all more and make it, you know, a little bit darker purple, like a little more of this going on everywhere. But looking at myself in the light in the monitor right now, I'm really feeling this. Ooh, it looks good. I like it. I think it looks really good. Looks pretty. Feeling this, feeling it. So yes, tell me down below in the comments what you guys think. Should I dye it dark? Should I dip it another time, make it darker? Should I just leave it alone? But yes, thank you so much for being here. It's your girl Taejha. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, even dislike it if that's how you feel. But thank you so much for being here. Love you guys.